This is Reptile 98. I'm gonna do an unboxing of some springtails and some isopods I picked up from online store Reptile Deli. This is just a review. I got a culture of springtail and I got some, I don't know what you would call them. I'll look at the receipt right now, but it's some isopods. So first things first, let me just open it up without you seeing my address, you know what I mean? So, alrighty. Alright, so, okay, so I have, those are the prices, what I got. 12 count of orange isopods and springtail culture. And it was a 2-day shipping. So, overall, it's pretty good. It came towards the end of the day, so I'm a little bit worried about. Oh, this is nice. I could definitely use this for sure for a new project. But there you go. Anyways, enough of that. So, let's zoom out a little bit. So we got a bunch of wrapping. Doing this one-handed. Definitely a big box for what I would think is, you know, yep, those size of things. And this is a ice pack, I believe. I'm not too sure. That is really cool. I guess it keeps them cool. And that just tells me that they do the research on where they're sending them to and make sure these guys arrive alive. Because it was a hot one today, and I was a little worried if the package sat outside for too long. Luckily, I was just down the street when it came in. Very cool to see that, though. I already like that. It's nice and cold. Not as cold as ice, but it's very cool. So, not sure what this is. I think it's just more wrapping. More wrapping, but definitely cool. I could definitely use this for some projects. I'll show you later what I can use it for. All right, so first off, we have springtail culture. Nice. And I don't know what is going on in there. Let me go in here just in case we have some runners or something. Okay, I see a couple of things in there. Not too sure. This is my first ever springtail culture, so I'm not too sure what I'm looking for. I know what they look like. They're little white insects. But as far as that, I don't know what's. Nothing on the lid. I'm not sure what I'm looking for. So I saw one. But where are the other ones? Like clay. Maybe they're underneath. I'm not too sure. Maybe they're at the bottom. Can't really tell though. Let's see. Let me flip this thing over. Put the lid on just in case. I don't want them flying all over the place or jumping all over the place. So I don't see anything. Well, that's kind of weird. Alright, we'll go back to that one just in case. I don't know, but here are the isopods. Hopefully these are in here. Oh, yeah, there's some right there. All right, so they're alive. And you can see them around and about. I don't want them getting out, so I'm gonna close this back up. I got those orange guys. I'll show you another video, or on the next clip, I'll show you where I put them into. Super cool. I don't know about the springtail culture. I'm a little skeptical. Like, it's like the sea monkeys. You think they're, you know, actual monkeys or something, and then you get them, and they're just like a little. It's like a flues. I don't know if that's the right word or terminology. Looks like it has packed with moon rock. Scan for cure information. Huh. Well, let me see what I can do about this.